Hi, in this tutorial I would like to show you a really simple method to center image in Krita. So first you need to create a new project, so I go to File and then I go to New. After that we need to type here width and height. You need to notice dimensions because later we will need to use half of width and half of height to center your image. So here I have 6000 width and 6000 height. So later I will use 3000 of width and 3000 of height. So now I click create button and now I need to add here an image. So I open folder and I need to drag and drop this image inside the project. Now I click insert as new layer. So I choose this one option and how you see our image has been successfully added to project. Now we need to go to transform a layer or selection tool, and on the right window we need to type here on X half of width, so I type here 3000 because it is half of project width, and here I need to type half of height, so I type here 3002, and how you see our image has been successfully centered in project in Krita. So it is how it works. If I helped you to do it, remember to like this tutorial and subscribe my channel. Let me know in comment if it solved your problem.